Hello and welcome to the Mortgage Tech Tom YouTube channel. So glad that you found us. Want to tell you a quick story about who I am and what this channel is all about. So as you know, of course, my name's Tom. My day job, I work actually as the founder of a company called Blue Mortgage. We're a CRM for mortgage brokers, loan officers. And where this channel came from is, I spent years and years in this industry. And the thing about a CRM is it really touches every part of the mortgage industry. We were working with agents, networks, brokerages, really innovative tech companies. And I just realized that I had so many conversations with so many different people in the space. And I just learned so much about what each person is doing and what's on their mind and really top tips that top people are doing. And so really what I did is I took a look at that and said, hey, I have so much this knowledge in my head and I just really want to give it back to the community. And so that's what this channel is. And that takes a couple different forms. I'll give you kind of quick 1-minute tips here or there while you're, on the fly. We have the long form podcast where I'm interviewing really innovative companies, people doing top-notch stuff. And I'll also do kind of longer video screen shares. We'll actually walk through things like how you set up certain things in your mortgage business through a tech lens. And so if any of that is interesting to you, please do come join the community, hit that subscribe button. Love to have you here. Really looking forward to having you. And that's it. Bye for now.